Here's a 2016 Honda Accord sedan. Year after year, the Accord is showered with awards and praise. Take a look and it's easy to see why. Drive it and you'll know why. Features include Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rearview mirror, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, continuously variable automatic transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Car and Driver adds, the Accord hustles through turns with fog-free steering and little complaint from the tires and never seems to be working very hard. Every Honda is designed with a driver in mind. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.